Ever wondered what lurks inside your regular tube of toothpaste? It's a cocktail of chemicals, artificial sweeteners, and more, which not only raise health concerns, but also contribute to environmental degradation. Fluoride, for instance, is a controversial ingredient that's been linked to numerous health issues. Then there's the plastic waste from toothpaste tubes. Now, wouldn't it be wonderful to have a toothpaste option that's not only effective but also kind to your body and our planet? Imagine transforming everyday kitchen staples into a potent elixir for your teeth. Yes, you heard it right. This is the magic of DIY natural toothpaste, and today we're going to break down the ingredients for you. First up, we have coconut oil, a superhero in the natural health world. Its antibacterial properties work wonders in fighting off those pesky plaque-causing bacteria, while its smooth, creamy texture makes for a perfect toothpaste base. Next, let's talk about baking soda. You might know it as a rising agent in your favorite cookies, but it's also a natural teeth whitener. It gently buffs away surface stains, revealing a brighter, whiter smile. Plus, it's a fantastic neutralizer for bad breath, keeping your mouth feeling fresh and clean. And then there are essential oils. Not only do they add a refreshing taste to your DIY toothpaste, but they also pack a punch when it comes to oral health. Take peppermint oil, for instance. It's a natural antiseptic that helps keep your mouth germ-free. And let's not forget that cool, minty freshness that we all love. Now, let's put it all together. When these ingredients combine, they create a potent mix that combats plaque, whitens teeth, and freshens breath. And the best part, you'll know exactly what's going into your toothpaste, no hidden ingredients. So you can smile with confidence, knowing that you're taking a natural, chemical-free route to oral health. Ready to don your DIY hat and start mixing? Let's dive into the world of homemade toothpaste recipes. We'll start with a basic blend that's as simple as it is effective. All you need is 2 parts coconut oil to 1 part baking soda. Mix them together to form a paste, and voila, you've got a natural toothpaste that's ready to tackle plaque and freshen your breath. Now, if you're looking for a little more pizzazz, try adding a few drops of peppermint essential oil for that classic fresh minty flavor. Or, if you're dealing with sensitive teeth, clove oil can be your best ally, providing a gentle, soothing effect. For those of you who fancy a bit of whitening action, we've got you covered. Just add a teaspoon of activated charcoal to your basic mix, and you've got yourself a natural whitening toothpaste. But remember, moderation is key. Using too much activated charcoal can be abrasive, so stick to using this paste just once or twice a week. And there you have it, a couple of simple, customizable, DIY natural toothpaste recipes that cater to different dental needs and preferences. Remember, these recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients and ratios to find a blend that feels just right for you. And just like that, you're on your way to transforming your oral health ritual. Before you dive in, a quick word of caution. It's essential to remember that your teeth, just like your fingerprints, are unique to you. Therefore, any significant changes to your oral care routine need to be made in consultation with your dentist. This professional guidance is crucial in ensuring that your journey towards natural oral care is the right path for you. Remember, the goal here is to enhance your oral health, not compromise it. Switching to DIY natural toothpaste isn't just about your teeth. It's about making a conscious decision to reduce your exposure to unnecessary chemicals and support sustainable practices. Imagine this. Each time you brush your teeth, you're not just fighting plaque, you're also doing your part for the planet. Pretty cool, right? But the benefits go even further. By making this switch, you're embracing a holistic approach to wellness. This decision can positively impact your overall well-being, leading to a more vibrant and confident you. You're not just transforming your smile, but also taking control of your health in a natural and empowering way. And let's not forget the confidence that comes from knowing exactly what's going into your body. No more long, unpronounceable ingredient lists, just simple, natural ingredients that work. So, are you ready to take a giant leap towards improving not just your oral health, but your overall well-being?